In today's video, I'm just going to teach you how to add plugin to Squarespace. We'll look at where to find integrations in your dashboard, how to connect popular services, and where to explore extensions, so you can enhance your site without writing code. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner for the settings icon. It's the small gear. Click that to open your site's settings panel. This is where all of your core controls live, and it's the quickest path to tools that expand what your site can do. Inside settings, find and select third-party tools. Think of this as your integrations hub. It gathers all the ways your site can connect with services outside of Squarespace, whether that's social media, analytics, or trusted add-ons. From here, choose connected accounts. This section lets you securely link platforms you already use so your site can pull in content or share updates automatically. Click Connect Account, and you'll see options for services like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Pick the one you need. You'll be prompted to sign into that service and approve permissions. Grant only what's necessary for the features you want. You can always adjust access later from your connected services settings. After connecting, give it a moment for Squarespace to sync. If you manage multiple profiles, double check you're linking the right one before you confirm. When you're done, head back to third-party tools. Now click Extensions. This is where you can discover vetted third-party solutions that work smoothly with Squarespace. Things like shipping helpers, inventory tools, marketing automations, and more. Browse all extensions to see everything that's available. You can scroll through categories, use search to narrow down a need, and open an extensions page to learn what it does, how it integrates, and whether there are any costs or plan requirements. Look for detail about what data is shared, who the developer is, and any limitations for your region or site type, especially if you run a store. A few quick tips as you explore. If something doesn't appear right away after connecting an account, refresh your browser or revisit the page where that feature is used. Make sure you have the correct site permissions if you're collaborating with a team, since some integrations require admin access. And if you're testing multiple tools, connect one at a time so it's clear which change affects which feature. That's it. By using connected accounts and the extensions directory inside third-party tools, you can reliably add functionality to your Squarespace site in just a few clicks, all from your dashboard.